Abduct. To take someone away illegally or by force. To kidnap. I saw him on the street. Someone tried to abduct him. My sister was abducted from her school. Burrow. A hole or tunnel dug by an animal, usually to live in or hide. There is a big burrow on the beach. The worms burrowed in the soil. Debris. Scattered pieces of waste or remains. After the tornado, debris from damaged trees and houses littered the town. We are going to clean up the debris. Dumpster. A large container for garbage or waste. Please take out the trash to the dumpster behind the building. I will put the garbage bag in the dumpster. Heap. A pile or large untidy collection of things. The dresses were in a heap on the floor. There is a large heap of leaves in the garden. In. A small hotel or lodging place, usually with food and drink. We should find an inn for the night. I will book a room for you at the inn on the weekend. Mold. A type of fungus that grows on food or damp surfaces. I tried to clean the mold on the wall with mold remover. There is mold on the loaf, don't eat it. Neighbor. A person who lives near your house or next door. We invited our neighbors to the party. They are our next-door neighbors. Peckish. Slightly hungry, used informally, mostly in British English. I'm feeling a bit peckish, should we make some popcorn? If you're feeling peckish, there's some cheese in the fridge. Pound. To hit or beat something repeatedly and with force. He began to pound the machine against the floor. I was pounding my fist on the floor in anger when I heard the news. Shack. A small, simple, and often poorly built house or hut. There was a small shack on the beach selling refreshing drinks. We lived in a wooden shack in the forest. Solo. Alone, without others or done by oneself. I took a solo trip last summer. He sang a solo on stage. Sting. A small but painful injury caused when an insect. The bees will only sting if you disturb them. The wasp stung me on the arm in the garden. Vendor. A person who sells goods or services. We have bought ice creams from a vendor on the beach. There was a fruit vendor on the beach. Vulgar. Something rude, offensive, or not polite, especially in the way someone talks or behaves. He said something so vulgar to me at school. I can't believe that movie has so many vulgar scenes. Whack. To move something quickly from side to side, usually a tail, finger, or hand. She wagged her finger at me and said no. The dog began to wag his tail at me.